To weave in ends in garter stitch, you're just going to go in through one of these frowns, and then instead of going straight up into another frown, you go slightly to one side and into one of the neighbouring smiles. Just go through there, then follow this frown across and go down into the neighbouring smile, and then back where we started through this frown. Then if you follow the neighbouring smile across here and go up into this frown, and again don't go straight up, go slightly to this side. Now follow this frown across and go in down through this smile, and then back where we started through this frown. So once more, you're going to follow along and up through this frown, then tilt to the side and go through the smile. Follow the frown across, go in through this smile, and then back where we started. And you can see where that's following along the stitches, so your fabric's still going to have stretch once you've woven in your ends.